Avocado pruning. Today we are pruning our baby avocado trees. We started planting these avocado trees in March, so they'll be around about 4 months old. Why do we prune them? There is a number of good reasons why we prune avocado trees. It is an important part of keeping your trees healthy and happy. It promotes thick or thicker stems. It encourages the growth of more branches and leaves into fuller shape we want. To manage the tree size, for example, if you don't want a plant that is too tall, you can keep it to the size or height of your liking. Use a clean tool or clippers to prune your trees to avoid infecting your trees. You can use bleach and water or any approved disinfectant to disinfect your tools. If you're pruning multiple trees, it is advisable that you should clean your pruning tools before pruning the next tree. Where to cut? It depends. For a baby avocado tree, when it's about 15 centimeters tall, you can cut about 7.5 centimeters. So you're basically removing half of the tree. I know, it sounds cruel, but it's for the better. That is how you prune an avocado tree.